Now at 6, we're awaiting a major decision on the future of Alligator Alcatraz. A federal judge is set to rule whether the controversial detention center built in the Everglades will be shut down or continue to operate. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Lauren Pastrana.
And I'm Elliot Rodriguez. CBS News Miami's Yvonne Taylor is live for us from the federal courthouse in downtown Miami. And Yvonne, we were under the impression a ruling was coming down at about 2:30. Why the delay?
Elliot and Lauren, it was at the federal court right behind me that a federal judge actually ruled a halt on any additional construction at the facility, and that period of time expired today. So environmental groups said that the deadline was 2:30 p.m. today, and that's when they were expecting about the future of Alligator Alcatraz. So let's take you to some footage of the story, what we're talking about. This is something that has been going on for over a week. And basically, Friends of the Everglades, the Center for Biological Diversity, as well as the Miccosukee tribe, filed a lawsuit against the state of Florida and the U.S. government because the plan for the detention center, they said, bypassed the required procedure for reviewing environmental risk and giving the public a chance to weigh in. The state presented 9 witnesses who allege the facility is a threat. I must say the plaintiff presented 9 witnesses who allege the facility is a threat to wetlands and wild animals, including panthers. U.S. District Judge Kathleen Williams, appointed by the Obama administration, is the one who will decide whether the Alligator Alcatraz will be shut down, which is what the plaintiffs have been asking for. Federal attorneys who declined to grant interviews said in court the site and construction of the center were decided by the state of Florida. Now, attorneys for the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the state agency which has been operating Alligator Alcatraz, allege they built the facility at an existing runway. They claim human waste is removed from the center, and they allege they are not destroying wetlands of the Everglades in spite of what has been mentioned. Furthermore, they stated Alligator Alcatraz was created with state funds in a state property, and thus they do not have to comply with federal regulations. So at this very moment, Judge Kathleen Williams has not decided or ruled a decision on the future of Alligator Alcatraz. The anticipation continues. We are on top of this story, and we'll keep you informed online as well as on air. We're live in downtown Miami. Yvonne Taylor, CBS News, Miami.